Hello everyone. Hi Leo, this is the reading for you and this is mid-month reading for the month of December and this is general reading may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your messages Leo. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Fire sign Leo. Okay. Chariot, Nine of Wands, Hierophant. Okay. 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 So I think someone want to commit in this relationship. It could be you or your person, energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate, because chariot with Hierophant, definitely they want to take this relationship to next level, but one person in this connection acting like guarded. It could be you or your person, because they are in some confusion, because there are a lot of disturbances between you and your person. I think it's you Leo. You are not trusting this person because due to past hurts, whatever whatever had happened between both of you. Definitely this time you are protecting your heart. What I'm getting here, because Nine of Wands guarded up, and yeah, for some it could be third party situation also. You are in a lot of confusion, I think Leo, because Five of Swords, definitely there some in past there may be backstabbing. Definitely your person may be not trustworthy. You recently know about the truth, that's why you're guarded up right now. For some there are some painful endings, Ten of Swords, but for some new beginnings also, because Ten of Swords is rebirth. Definitely your person may be hoping for this reconciliation with you. It could be you or your person, again I'm saying energy could be vice versa, because Nine of Cups with Three of Cups, definitely your person want reconciliation with you, or your person may be guarded up, you want reconciliation with you. Okay, okay, with your person. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Yeah, but things, what I'm seeing here, things are changing in your favor. Wheel of Fortune is here. So final message for you Leo is, whatever is happening in your life right now, definitely things are going to be better. Okay, your any situation in your life will going to be next level in a good way. Okay, in career wise, whatever, definitely things are turning in your favor. Wheel of Fortune is here. Yes, for some there are some painful endings, some past pains, past hurts are here, because Ten of Swords with Five of Swords, definitely you may be upset for something in your life right now in relationship wise. Definitely you're feeling hurt, you are in so much pain for some Leo, but things are turning in your favor. Please be patient. Yeah, you have trust issues, definitely you are in confusion, but your person, I think someone want reconciliation in this connection. I think it could be your person, they are wishing, because Nine of Cups, for some your wishes are going to be granted Leo. This is your time, what I'm getting here, because I'm seeing some messy in the past, because Ten of Swords, Five of Swords, that's going to be end. Okay, for some you started something new in your life, Chariot. Yes, and you something started new in career wise, and that is going to be success, because Nine of Cups with Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so here a lot of air energy. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you, then we will get more clarity what is going. Your person current feelings. Your person current feelings. Okay, Tower. Yeah, Death. Yeah, I think they may be walked away from you, definitely in past, but then now they're coming back, or they're feeling that you walked away. So it could be vice versa. Your person now feel, I think you may be walked away, or they may be walked away, now they are realizing your worth. It could be anything. So take what resonate. Definitely now they are undergoing some tower movement. Yeah, this is very big to your person. They are emotionally like the tower moment undergoing, and the death. For some it could be painful ending. Your person right now undergoing so much pain, and they are undergoing some spiritual awakening too. The death card is here, and 8 of cups. Yeah, I think you may be walked away from your person. The tower moment, definitely they are undergoing some tower moment. So your person could be Scorpio, a Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Wow, the Sun, 2 of Wands, 9 of Pentacles. I think they are thinking about you positively. There is no doubt about it, because the Sun is here. Yes, they are thinking about you a lot, but first they want to stand by their self. Yeah, because 9 of Pentacles, they want to stand by their power. 9 of Pentacles, they want to gain stability and abundance. Yeah, that's why they're taking their time to come towards you, because right now your person also undergoing some spiritual awakening. In action cards, I am not seeing any taking action cards, because Sun, definitely they're thinking about you positively right now. And 2 of Wands, definitely this could be long distance relationship, waiting. I think some waiting is involved in this connection, and your person also waiting for the right time, but they're thinking about you a lot. They're thinking about you a lot. Even though they're not talking to you, you are on their mind 24/7, because 2 of Wands is thinking about the other person a lot. Okay, definitely, but in a positive way. They're thinking in a very positive way, but they want to prove themselves, because 9 of Pentacles, they want to achieve abundance. Right now your person may be concentrating on your career and finances. Okay, so let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Okay, 2 cards I'm not taking. Leo. Wow, Ace of Pentacles. 3 of Wands. I already told you, waiting game. Yeah. Yeah, someone is walked away. 2 times 8 of Cups. 2 of Pentacles. Yeah, one person still juggling. I think it's you or your person. I think your person right now concentrating on their career. They want to balance their career and you. Yeah, they're trying to balance the situation. Definitely they're feeling that you walked away. Yeah, I think Ace of Pentacles with 3 of Wands. Definitely you are waiting for long-term commitment from your person, Leo. Yeah, that's coming, but it is taking some time, because 3 of Wands is also waiting game going between you and your person. I think you both are walked away from each other for some very few, because you both have some ego issues also. When you walked away, your person also, okay, you will go, then I will also go. That type of situation, ego based. I am getting what here, but you both want. But your person right now, maybe what I'm getting here, they want to balance the things. So energy could be vice versa, take what resonate, but something long-term commitment is coming in your connection, because these are connection cards. But it will take some time, because 3 of Wands, still there is separation between both of you guys. Yeah, in near future the juggling is going to be end, and waiting is also going to be end. Some long-term commitment is coming. Definitely there will be reunion for some. Yeah, but you have to be patient, because 3 of Wands, this could be long distance relationship, some traveling involved in this connection. You both live in different cities, different countries, or different states. Yeah, they're waiting for the right time to come towards you. Okay, they're taking their time. Okay, Leo, if you are waiting for your person, our energy could be vice versa. You are taking your time to go towards your person. So let's see your overall energy for the Leo. Your overall 7 of Pentacles, 6 of Pentacles, the Lovers, and Queen of Wands. Yeah, definitely you stand by your power this time. Lovers, definitely there is love. Your person could be Gemini. And 6 of Pentacles, yeah, you want equal give and take in this connection, but in past there is no equal give and take. That's why the separation has happened for some. and say, yeah, you invested in this connection, you are waiting for the result. You are so much invested in this connection and you always there for your person, Leo. Yeah, definitely if you are waiting for your person, they are coming back to you. They are but it will take some time because Three of Wands is here. Let's see your person overall energy. See, Six of Pentacles. Definitely this time they want to offer equal give and take. And Queen of Cups, they have strong emotions. And the World and Two of Cups. Yeah, you both could be soulmates also. Definitely the World, long distance relationship. For some, same cycles are going to be repeating between you and your person. Yeah, they have strong emotions. Definitely they are coming back to you and want to offer equal give and take. But it will take some time, okay? Yeah, I think they, in divine timing they will back to you, okay? But they will be, for sure, Leo. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.